Open Assetto Corsa Content Manager. Right-click on the car and select Open Car folder. Go to the Skins folder and open the desired skin folder. Copy the KN5 file into the skin folder of the mod where you need it. Open the ext config file. At the bottom of the file, paste the provided command lines. These will be included with the download. Fill in the blanks with the correct names from the mod's KN5 file and the added KN5 file. Go back to Content Manager and open the car in Showroom. In Showroom, click on the object, wheel, tire, etc. to see its properties and name. Copy the object names and paste them into the correct spots in the ext config file. Repeat this for all 4 wheels or any other objects you want to hide or modify. Save the ext config file. Note: the commands in the ext config file allow you to adjust the new wheel's offset, diameter and width.